Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Bet account suspended, how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your ESPN Bet account has been suspended, the issue may be related to identity verification, location, account activity, or violation of terms and conditions. So in order to resolve it, what you need to do is understand the reason for suspension. Check your email inbox and spam or junk folders for a message from ESPN Bet. They typically send an email explaining why your account was suspended. Common reasons include failed identity or error verification, account access from a restricted state or location, multiple accounts associated with same user, suspicious account activity such as fraudulent transactions or chargeback, breach of ESPN's Bet's terms of service. Number 2 is verify your identity. If the suspension is due to verification issue, provide the required documents like valid government ID, proof of address such as utility bill or bank statement, social security number verification. And number 3 is check your location. ESPN Bet is only available in specific states where sports betting is legal. Enable location services. Ensure your GPS is turned on and Wi-Fi is connected for more accurate location tracking. Disable VPN or proxy. And then if you are in a restricted state, you won't be able to access ESPN Bet. And number 4 is contact ESPN Bet support. Reach out to ESPN Bet's customer support team for assistance through live chat or help center on your app or website, email support or phone support. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.